Hello students. The Dropbox assignment for this week is about managing your time. Many students say they have a problem with this. You will learn many ways this week to help you manage your time better. I encourage all students to review the assignment and summary document that comes out each week and divide the assignments into daily chunks so you will not feel overwhelmed. Time management habits that help me the most are using a planner and creating weekly and daily lists. Next, let's talk about the Dropbox assignment. You're going to plan a 4-day calendar. Design a calendar in the Plan section of your 4-day calendar. You can download the calendar. In one column, write what you planned for the day, and at the end of the day, write down what you actually did. You will find a Night Owl template in the doc sharing area if you do the majority of your work at night. As you plan your 4-day calendar, keep your goals in mind. When you're creating your schedule, think about the goals and make sure that all of your scheduled tasks will help you to get closer to your goals. Step 1, download the calendar template. You can either use the one that's in the assignment area or the Night Owl template from the doc sharing area. After you download the template, I encourage you to predict all 4 days. This means you should have things in every purple column. Notice that your template is not going to have the purple. I just made it purple so that you could see it. Notice how the lines expand as you type. I encourage you to write down the specific school activities you plan, like my example says, write discussion board posts or read chapter such and such. Step 3, write down what actually happens. Your template will be the original color. It will not be purple and yellow. In step 3, you will write down what actually happens. Sometimes that will be the same thing as you predicted, but sometimes what you predict will not be what happens. When you complete your 4-day calendar, review each day. Reflect on how you notice you manage your time and any changes that you think you might like to improve on your time management. What activities were you able to complete or attend? What activities or tasks were you not able to complete? What changes can you make to improve the way that you manage your time? Let's review the questions you need to answer for this paper. What did you learn about how you actually use your time? Discuss specifics. I should see something that says, this is what I planned, but this is what happened. When it asks you, what can you do to manage daily tasks? This can include personal things, but it should also include things connected with school. Notice there are several questions connected with goals. You need to state what your daily goals are that are connected with school. Were these goals, these daily goals, realistic considering the amount of time you gave yourself to fulfill them? Exactly how do you plan to manage your schoolwork along with your other key priorities? Sometimes this is one assignment that students get a little bit off track, and because of this, I've created a template for you. It is found in the doc sharing area. You are not required to use the template, but all information that is presented here should be on your paper, like the time management calendar comparison. What are my daily goals in relation to school? This paragraph should identify your daily goals in connection with school and explain what is it that you're doing to meet these goals. Please be specific. What improvement is needed in terms of revising and accomplishing my goals connected with school? Describe the activities that you feel will help you meet your educational goals. The next step, you are supposed to write your actual paper on time management. Please take all of these things into consideration. You can download the template for this paper that is in the doc sharing area, but note that you are not required to use it. Of course, the final step is write your paper, organizing your time for success. You can do this. This is the rubric for Module 2, Assignment 2. Make sure you review all of the requirements of the assignment. You will find this at the bottom of your assignment page. Remember to ask me if you need help. My email address is here, my telephone number is here, and my information is located in the course home under contact information. Please enjoy your learning and never hesitate to ask if you have questions.